And now the Solomon Islands has established diplomatic ties with North Macedonia and Andorra during the recent United Nations General Assembly in New York. With this new addition, the Solomon Islands now has diplomatic relations with a total of 139 countries. Prime Minister Manele highlighted that collaboration with international partners remains key to advancing the country's development priorities.
In terms of bilateral meetings in New York on the margins of the UNGA, we held 9 bilateral meetings with partners, including the United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, Austria, Germany, and India. These discussions covered cooperation in climate resilience, education, health, policing, and economic transformation. We also established diplomatic relations with North Macedonia and Andorra, bringing our total diplomatic partners to 139 states. Agreements were signed with Serbia to ease travel and strengthen dialogue, as well as with Tuvalu to allow Solomon Islands nurses to work there. These engagements strengthen partnerships in areas that directly affect our people: climate resilience, education, health, trade, and security. I want to assure our people that these engagements are not about focusing abroad at the expense of home. Every statement we make, every partnership we build, and every agreement we sign is aimed at strengthening services, creating opportunities, and improving the daily lives of Solomon Islanders. Our commitment remains clear: to ensure that international cooperation directly supports national priorities: better health, stronger education, climate resilience, and a more secure and prosperous future for all.